Well, hey guys, this is a video about my journey with my golf cart. Whenever I buy a vehicle or something, I like to make it mine, especially if it's something that, like a golf cart or a razor or a side-by-side. So anyway, this is my video of the journey of buying a golf cart and customizing it to make my own. Stay till the end and you'll see a tour of the whole thing after it's completed. Hope you enjoy this. Have a great day. We'll see you further on down the trail. So here I'm taking delivery of my new golf cart. Put it in the garage. Started to put a few customizations on it and making it my own. This time I decided I needed bigger tires. That meant a lift kit, and here it is. So here's the inventory for the lift kit. You can see there the leaf springs, the A-arms, the spindles, the plates, everything that we need for the front end and the rear end is there. So here's my trailer. I had to buy something to haul this around, and that was actually the first time I took it golfing. Here's the wheels after the lift kit is installed. I tried to film part of the lift kit being installed, but lost that footage. So I bought these from Golf Cart Supply Company, the tires and wheels, and the lift kit itself came from Amazon. I'll link that below. Here I'm installing the dashboard kit. I ordered all this stuff when I bought the cart, and it kind of dribbled in. And when I got this, I was thinking of sending it back. It's really kind of flimsy. I don't like the way the key gets in there. One thing, when I took apart the battery light, it wasn't connected to anything, so someone had got in there before. And anyway, the dash kit is quite a chore to get done. One reason I say that is it took me an afternoon to get the steering wheel off. I finally went to Harbor Freight and bought a steering wheel puller and got it off that way. And of course, after I bought that and got it on there, it came off in 15 seconds. So of course I recommend going and buying a cheap gear puller or steering wheel puller, anything like that. And also I would like to shout out to my friend and neighbor Steve Hernandez. He really helped me with this. I wouldn't have got the lift on without him. And now it's just a matter of putting on the steering wheel and the scorecard holder, and I think that'll wrap it up. So here it is. This is the finished product. I think I'm done with this. I was going to paint it, but I'm not going to do that. I think I have spent enough on this, and I'm going to enjoy it. We'll see you further on down the trail.